Hello, friends.
Welcome to the English Booster channel
Here we learn English with easy stories.
and simple conversations.
My name is Alex.
And I am Imly.
Today we have a mysterious story.
Yes, something strange happened at the bus stop,
Alex found a bag,
but the bag had no owner.
and something inside the bag was very surprising.
Do you want to know what happened?
Then watch the full story.
Let's begin.
Alex, where were you this morning?
I was at the bus stop.
Why?
I was waiting for the city bus.
Did the bus arrive?
Not immediately.
So what happened?
I saw something strange.
What did you see?
A black bag on the bench.
That is normal.
But no one was sitting there.
Maybe someone forgot it.
That is what I thought.
Did you touch the bag?
Not at first.
Why not?
I was a little nervous
Why nervous?
because the bag looked expensive.
Expensive.
Yes, very expensive.
Did anyone come for it?
No one.
How long did you wait?
Almost 10 minutes.
And the bag was still there?
Yes.
Did you check inside?
Finally, I did.
What did you find?
Something surprising.
Tell me quickly.
Inside the bag was a laptop.
A laptop?
Yes.
Anything else?
Yes, some papers.
Important papers?
Very important.
What kind of papers?
Business documents.
Oh, wow.
I suddenly became worried
Why worried?
because someone might accuse me.
Then what happened?
Suddenly, a man came running.
Running?
Yes, he looked very worried.
What did he say?
He asked about the bag.
Was it his bag?
Yes,
What happened to him?
he left the bag by mistake.
Did he thank you?
Yes, many times.
Then the story ended?
No.
There is more?
Yes.
What happened?
He gave me a reward.
A reward?
Yes.
What kind of reward?
He gave me a gift card.
That is amazing.
I was very surprised.
You did a good thing.
Yes, honesty is important.
Very important.
Helping others feels good.
I agree. Friends, stories like this help you learn English.
Yes, simple conversations are very helpful.
Practice every day.
Speak simple sentences.
Friends, if you want to improve your English,
Watch more videos like this.
like this video.
Share it with your friends.
And do not forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to the English Booster channel,
We bring easy English conversations.
especially for beginners.
Alex, you did the right thing.
Thank you, Alex.
Many people might take the bag,
Yes, some people might keep it.
but you waited for the owner.
Yes, I felt it was the right thing.
Honesty is very important.
I agree.
Were you scared at the bus stop?
Yes, a little.
Why?
Because the bag looked expensive.
You thought someone might blame you?
Exactly.
But everything went well.
Yes, thankfully.
What did you learn today?
I learned 2 things.
What are they?
First, always stay calm.
That's a good lesson.
Second, always be honest.
That's even better. Alex, you explained the story very well.
Really?
Yes, your English is improving.
Thank you.
Practice makes everything better.
Yes, practice helps a lot.
That is why we talk in English.
Every day.
Friends, learning English is not difficult.
You just need practice.
Start with small sentences
Listen carefully.
and repeat after us.
Slowly, your confidence will grow.
Stories make learning fun,
Yes, stories are interesting.
and they help you remember words.
That is true.
So keep practicing every day.
And never give up.
Friends, if you enjoy learning English with us,
Please support our channel.
like this video,
Share it with your friends.
and do not forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to the English Booster channel,
We bring easy English conversations.
especially for beginners. Today was strange.
Yes, that man scared you.
I was really nervous.
But you stayed calm.
I tried my best.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel safe now.
Good. Safety is important.
Sometimes I feel scared in public places.
That is normal, Imly.
Really?
Yes, many people feel that way.
What should we do in such situations?
First, stay calm.
Okay,
Second, look for people around you.
that helps.
Yes, public places are safer.
Suddenly they hear a sound behind us. Wait, Emily, did you hear that?
Yes, I heard something.
Someone is walking behind us.
Do not panic.
I feel nervous again.
Let us turn and check.
They slowly turn back. Oh, it is just a delivery boy.
See? Sometimes our mind creates fear.
That is true.
Imly, confidence is very important.
How can I build confidence?
Practice speaking clearly.
In English?
Yes, in English and in daily life.
Speaking English gives confidence?
Of course, communication is power.
A small tea shop nearby.
Hello, do you want tea?
Yes, please. 2 cups.
Thank you. Shop owner, where are you from?
We live nearby.
That is nice. Imly, your shop looks beautiful.
Shop owner. Thank you very much.
Imly, try speaking more.
Okay, I will try. Emily, your tea smells very good.
Shop owner, thank you.
Emily, how long has you had this shop?
Shop owner, almost 10 years.
Emily, great question, Emily.
Imly, I am learning.
Emily, the tea is very hot.
Imly, blow on it slowly.
Emily, I almost burned my tongue.
Imly, that happens with hot tea.
Shop owner.
Be careful.
Emily, learning English feels fun now.
Imly, because you are practicing daily.
Emily, yes, practice really helps.
Imly, many learners make one mistake.
Emily, what mistake?
Imly, they feel shy to speak.
Emily, I was like that before.
Imly, but not anymore.
Emily, yes, I feel more confident now.
Imly, friends, do not feel afraid.
Emily, start speaking English every day.
Imly, use small sentences.
Emily, make simple conversations.
Imly, talk with friends.
Emily, or talk with yourself.
Imly, every step matters.
Emily, today I learned 2 things.
Imly, what are they?
Emily, first, stay calm in problems.
Imly, good lesson.
Emily, second, speak English without fear.
Imly, perfect.
Emily, friends, did you enjoy this story?
Imly, if yes, keep learning with us.
Emily, welcome to English Booster Channel.
Imly, this channel helps you speak English confidently.
Emily, we share daily life conversations.
Imly, easy English stories.
Emily, and useful speaking practice.
Imly, so do not forget one thing.
Emily, like the video.
Imly, share it with your friends.
Emily, and subscribe to English Booster Channel.
Imly, see you in the next story.
Emily, keep learning, keep speaking.